Simple interest. Great day, students! Another lesson for today. You will learn how to solve present problems involving simple interest. Let's go! Let's try our first example. Kimberly decided to save and opened a savings account in a bank with 1% interest per year. If she has 5,500 pesos in her account, how much interest will the money earn in 1 year? But what is interest? Interest is the percentage of an amount invested or borrowed, while the percent of interest is the interest rate. Now let's try to solve our problem. To solve for the interest, we just need to multiply the principal, rate of interest, and time. The principal is the total amount invested or borrowed. Here, the total amount invested or saved in the bank account is 5,500 pesos, while the rate of interest is 1%, and the time is the length of time in years. Here, we are asked to determine the interest of the money in 1 year. Now let us multiply. But wait! Before we multiply, we need to convert or change the percent into decimal. Again, change the percent sign into decimal point and move the decimal point 2 times to the left. 1, 2. And put 0 into the empty place value. Now it's time to multiply. 5,500 times 0.01. Since we have 2 decimal places here, we need to move the decimal point in the product 2 times to the left. So that is 55 times 1 year is 55. This means that the money will earn 55 pesos in 1 year. Great job! Now let's have another one. To buy a computer, Raquel borrowed 3,000 pesos at 9% interest for 4 years. How much money did she have to pay back? In this problem, we are asked of the total money that Raquel needs to pay back after 4 years. But before that, let us solve first for the interest earned. To get the interest, we need to multiply the principal, rate of interest, and the time. Here, the principal is 3,000 pesos, while the rate of interest is 9%, and the time in years is 4 years. Again, let us change the percent into decimal. There you go. Now let us multiply. 3,000 times 0.09. Since we have 2 decimal places here, let us move the decimal point and the product 2 times to the left. There, now we got 270. Now let's multiply this to 4 years. 270 times 4 is 1,080. This is the interest earned after 4 years. But we are asked of how much money did she have to pay back. So we need to add 3,000 pesos to the interest earned, and that gives us 4,080. This means that she had to pay back 4,080 pesos. Wonderful! Now here are the things that you learned today.